In the last video, I showed you how to create links to documents that you uploaded to your account. In this video, I want to show you how to do something similar and link to other web pages. It's actually a bit easier than linking to documents, but it builds on the same concepts. So to create a link to another website, go back to your widgets, open your text widget, and I'm going to add another line here for a link to a website. I'm going to add another break tag. And if you didn't watch the last video, I would go back and watch that so that you'll understand what all of this coding is for. And then to create a link to a new site, I'm going to do the anchor tag again. It's going to have the same href code. And this time in the parentheses, I'm just going to add the address of the site that I want to link to. So for example, http://www.resumesthatpop.com. in parentheses, and then I'm going to do the target equals blank again. In the tag, type in the name of the link, which is going to be resumes that pop, and then end the anchor tag. Hit save, go back to your site and hit refresh, and I have a new link here, which if I click on it, opens this training site in a new window. To add a link in the content area of one of your pages, open one of your pages. When you're in the visual tab area, scroll down to where you want to add a link at. Type in the name of the link, resumes that pop. Go ahead and highlight it. Hit that link button again on the toolbar, and in the link URL, type in the address of the site. Set the target for a new window, hit insert, and now you have a link to that site. If you have several links that you want to add to your site, there's a widget for adding links. You can go to the widgets page, pull over the links tab, and then over here on the left hand, go ahead and hit save. And then over here on the left hand side on the toolbar, there's a links button, which will take you to the links options page. And right now these are all of the links that are already included in that link widget. You shouldn't have any reason to have any of these on your site, so you might as well just go ahead and delete all of these if you plan to use the links widget. So go ahead and check them, and down at the bottom you can do delete, apply. To add a new link, at the top here there's a button for add new. Click on that. It'll ask you for the name of your site. Tab down, and in the next window it'll ask you for the address, and then on the right hand side hit add link, and that's all you need to do to add a link to that widget. So if I go back to my site now, hit refresh, here in the blog roll area, which is the name of the link section, I have a link to my website again. If you don't like the word blog roll, go back to the links page, click on the link you just added, and down here where it says categories, you want to add a new category, which is going to be the name of the section you want. So instead of blog roll, if you just want links, you can add a new category for that. Go to add, and then uncheck blog roll. Also for this link, I'm going to change the target to new window, and then I'm going to go ahead and hit update link. Go back to my site, hit refresh, and now instead of blog roll, it says links here. Adding a links section is a good opportunity to link to other web pages that show off projects you've worked on that are relevant to the type of work you're seeking, and may include other web pages that you've made for other projects.